Okay, Bula. This is a native vibration. We're trying to teach. I got some friends that wants to learn Fijian, the easy ones, for their holidays. So here we go. We'll start off right here. Bula Vinaka. All right. First, I'll show you how to really greet a Fijian, or any Fijian, living Fijian, yeah. How to greet them. It's very different from just Bula. This is the word you should be using when you greet a Fijian, a really Fijian man or anyone from Fiji. Ni Sam Bula Vinaka. Ni Sam Bula Vinaka. That's one. All right, we'll go with the second one. Ni Bula Saka. Ni Bula Saka. Those two words will do for now. Try them, practice them. Once you get it right, just say it with feelings. You'll be all right. Bula to you.